Hey everybody, it's Karen and Paul with Food and Family, and we're doing some of our Thanksgiving dishes, and today he's going to show you how he does the ham. He is the ham baker in our family, so I stand back with him and I just watch him. I do other things while he's preparing the ham. So you want to tell everybody how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a whole lot to it, but found out years ago the spicy mustard or something close to that, not regular mustard, and just rub the entire ham down and work it in all over. It just gives it so much more flavor and keeps the juices in.
You know, that mustard does do something. We don't care for like the what those honey baked hams, the honey hams.
Yeah.
We don't care for. We don't want it sweet. That's just our tastes. Our family doesn't care for it, but we love the taste of the mustard. But you can't really tell it's mustard when you cook it.
Yeah, don't be scared to put a lot on it because it takes a lot.
Yeah,
A lot of it cooks away.
be generous, I tell everybody.
See there? That's a lot of mustard.
But this is almost a grainy.
It's not like you'll taste it and it'll, choke you or burn your throat or anything like that. It just gives it so much flavor.
It really does. Now, how big was this ham?
It was
7 pounds. Seems right to me, just a little over 7.
7 pounds,
So,
5 minutes, 15 minutes per pound. Yeah.
what if you got your oven set on?
I believe it's on 350, isn't it?
It is. It's preheated. And so you want me to do that for you?
No, it's fine.
And
I just didn't want to get mustard everywhere.
so we'll bake it at 350, 15 minutes a pan. You may check it, and you may need to go a little bit more. And
Well, you can always get your temperature probe and make sure it's as warm as you want it in the center.
yeah, because nowadays these hams, this is a smoked ham, they're really cooked already. So, but what we're after is getting it slowly heated all the way through. And, if you crank up the temperature too high, it's going to get overdone on the outside before the inside gets hot. This is, I'm sorry, it's not even cooked and I'm getting hungry.
Well, you can eat some now, but it'll be too much mustard at the moment till it cooks away.
We love ham though. We actually, and we normally bake turkeys as well at Thanksgiving, but ham is our weakness.
Got it covered all the way around, and I'm dripping it.
Yes, so we'll clean it up.
That's okay though.
But this ham, you and I, we'll eat this up. We'll have ham for dinner tonight, and we'll have ham sandwiches. We'll make some ham and eggs. He does a great omelet. He's also the omelet baker in our house. What can I get for you?
Well, I need some salt and pepper on it, but I'm gonna have to take my gloves off.
Okay.
I can put the salt and pepper on it in here.
Yeah.
Or here, either one.
Yeah, why don't you do that?
Are you gonna put some broth in here?
We'll do that as soon as you get that over
Okay.
in here.
I'm gonna let you salt and pepper it,
Okay.
and then I'll turn it.
You
But
just tell me when. And try not to breathe when you're peppering or you'll be sneezing.
That's good.
That's good.
Now I'm gonna rub that in.
Yeah. You don't want to do too much salt because hams are salty. But we do put just a little bit.
Make sure I get some in all the cracks and crevices. Okay. And if you've got any splits in the ham, make sure you get some down in it. It'll travel through a little ways.
Yeah, it'll penetrate inside
One
there.
more.
A little more.
Well, one more. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Alrighty.
So I'll move this pan out of your way. There we go.
Okay.
on the holidays, we get in here like Thanksgiving. We'll be in here Thanksgiving morning, and I'm going to be making mashed potatoes and green beans and baking our sweet potato casserole, and he's going to be putting the ham together.
This side we're going to have up, so I'm going to put a little more on it. And my hands were clean before I put my gloves on.
Look in here, and you want to get, why don't we just brush it? And you won't have to get your hands. And if you don't want to rub it in like he did, brush it in. But he likes to rub it with his hands. It kind of massages it into the meat, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. It does. Okay.
All right, so we're going to put a little bit of broth in the bottom. That ham will make some juice. So if you really...
some chicken broth.
Yeah. If you want... I wish I'd had some ham broth, but I don't. Yeah. But if you want to use this liquid after it's baked, make you some gravy or a pan sauce.
I think that's enough.
That would be delicious. I would probably put just a tad more if it was me, but you're the one baking it. And that's going to steam in that pan and get all up in that ham and just bring out those juices. Okay, so what are we going to do next?
Eat it. We're going to put it in the oven.
You going to cover it?
Yeah. Anything you think I would need to put on it?
I don't.
That's all I usually do.
I don't. We like ours kind of simple.
Yep. Go this way.
I'd go the other way.
And then the other way.
And we'll...
See, that's why I asked her. She's still going to tell me which way it needs to go. But I'm proud she does, because, you know, I've been driving since I was 16. And we'll be sitting at a red light, and she said, the light turned green, and I've already got my foot off the brake going to the gas, but she's going to tell me. I thought it was funny. Okay. You want to put it in the oven? Or you
all right, so let's put it in the oven. And we're going to go, let us put this in the oven, and then we're going to come back and we're going to show it to you after it's done, okay? I just heard the timer go off on the stove.
I did too. I'm ready to get the ham out.
I smell it, and it smells, y'all, it smells so good.
It does.
Oh.
Let's see if we can get it out of here.
I bet you can.
I don't know about that.
And I'll get the door behind you.
Okay. Okay, move it out of the way. Ah, that is heavy.
It is heavy, isn't it?
It smells so good.
Oh, it does. Yeah. And be careful when you take the foil off of these pans, because trust me, a steam burn is worse than a fire burn.
Any burn's bad.
Yeah, but that steam comes right out.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, it smells good. Got your thermometer?
Oh, no, you asked me to get it.
Yeah, I just want to check it.
But you know, when you check something with a thermometer, you do not put it on the bone.
Yeah, I had to pull it back up because it was on the bone. That should be good, shouldn't it?
Oh, I think so, yes.
We're at 100 and, on average, 150 degrees.
Yes, I think so for the ham.
Yeah.
But you can still see some of the mustard on it. And if you don't want to see it, you can take the foil off.
You can do that. Or...
Yeah, but we like it on there. You can take the foil off and put it back in without the foil. So, but we like it.
Yeah, if I can expose these handles, I'll let you see it better.
Do you want to sit it on that? Would it help if you just put it on the platter?
No. I'll have some safety handles here. I don't know how close I can get. But there it is.
Yeah.
Steam coming off of it.
Yes, I see that. You want to move it to the board to cut it?
Huh?
You want to move it to the board to slice it? Or do we need to let it rest for a few minutes before
Really need to let it rest for a few minutes.
So like a good steak, you let it rest for a few minutes to get those juices back flowing. And this has the, we added broth in the bottom of the pan. And with what's come out of the ham, that has made some great, all you'd have to do is put that on the stove with just about a tablespoon of flour and make you a good pan sauce.
Looks good.
That is beautiful.
It's going to be good the next few days.
Yes. All right, so we're going to let this rest for a few minutes, then we're going to come back and we're going to slice it up, okay? You ready to slice this ham?
I'm ready. Let's go.
We've let it settle for just, about 10 minutes?
10 or 15,
Yeah, and so now we're ready to slice it, and I'm hungry.
I am too.
So.
Been waiting a long time on this today.
Yes. Can y'all see him? The inside of that meat is beautiful. And it's just, and it's so juicy. Y'all, I can't stand it. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful slice of ham? What'd you say we taste it now?
Okay.
I'm anxious.
Sounds good. Like I say, you can rake some of the mustard off if you want to, or try it with it on there to begin with.
We like it wet.
And if you don't like it with the hard outside on it, it's not real hard.
No.
But you can peel it off or take a knife and it comes right off.
But I like it. So.
That looks like a little pork chop, doesn't it?
It does look like a little pork chop. So he's used to carving at the holiday, so he'll keep on until this ham is fully carved.
Get us a little bowl. Saucer.
Ready?
Yep, ready. What do you think? Get the omelets going.
Drain out the eggs.
They're just juicy, tender. Mustard's not overpowering. It's delicious.
Oh my, yeah. You have got to try this ham and bake it the way he did. Coat it in mustard, pepper. And you really don't have to put any salt on it because the ham is salty, but we put a little sprinkle. 350, 15 minutes a pound. We actually did a little more than 15 minutes a pound. And keep in mind, my oven does cook a little bit slower than a lot of others. All right, so we're going to do this again Thanksgiving. So you ready to do another one?
Oh, yeah. We still got a lot of ham to cut up here.
Yes, we do, but
we got a whole side and a half side here. I hadn't even started to cut here.
We appreciate each and every one of you, and he's going to keep eating ham, and he'll have it all eat if I don't stop talking. But we appreciate each and every one of you, and we're so glad you joined us in our kitchen today. And we look forward to having you come back. Y'all stay with us because we have a lot of great things coming for you. So, and he's going to be doing more with me. And we'll have Stephanie in here. You're soon going to get to meet Carrie, our other daughter-in-law. And I'm looking forward to having her with me. So, what else you want to tell him anything?
Say,
Huh?
we'll mention that.
You want to?
We can.
Go ahead and get it.
What's one of the new exciting things coming
Yes,
out?
it is. And if you haven't
It'll be
noticed,
2 weeks,
behind
approximately.
us, yeah, about 2 weeks or so, we're going to have this out. I'm excited. This is the proof they sent me. That's the front, and here's the back.
101 delicious recipes.
So y'all
It's gonna be good.
Y'all look for this. We're very excited about having this out. I am just thrilled to no end. And I've worked on this. I retired a year ago this month, so I could do YouTube full time and work on my cookbook. So my dreams come true. I finally got it out. But you know what? I'm working on number 2 and 3 right now. They'll be different.
So we're hoping that go well. I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Shows a lot of followers, and things like this is what keeps her going and keeps the channel going. So
It does.
thank y'all so much.
We appreciate it. But as we get closer and it gets launch time, we'll have more information for you where to order it from. And so I'll have a link for you then. And we'll have pricing and all at that time. So, but I certainly appreciate all of you. Oh, yeah, give them a peek what the inside looks like.
Yeah, it's easy to read. The print is bold, and it's just large enough to where you can read it easily from a distance.
Yeah, and a lot of these recipes you've seen me make, and there's some new ones in there that you've never seen. So, but anyway, y'all look for that. And I don't know who's more excited, us or Stephanie. So, but anyway.
And our boys and our grandkids.
Oh, yeah, they're all excited for us. They're my biggest cheerleaders.
Daughter-in-law, Carrie.
Yes, Carrie's been my behind the scenes, and she's the one that's created the logos for me. And she's my artistic creator.
That's right.
And but anyway, y'all look for this, but we appreciate you all. And please don't forget, like, subscribe, and share our channel. And don't forget, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. See you soon, everybody.
Tell your friends about it. These are going to be out just in time to order for Christmas.
Yes,
Talk to y'all
that's
later.
right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.